Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video I am here with unique, different, charming nails design, nail arts. If you want to give a unique nail styles to your hand nails, then you are at right place. From this video, you can pick various unique ideas about nail art, creating nail polishes, for example, luxurious nails. The topic of my video today is luxurious nails. What is luxurious nails? Luxury nails are included with stud, stones, and other ornaments that can enhance your beauty of your hand nails and become your personality very charming according to your occasions, along with your friends, family members, etc. Luxury nails art and nail polish can elevate your overall look and make your hands stand out. Here are some popular luxurious nail art design in this video. A classic and timeless design is a French manicure. Features a new natural looking base with white tips. It exudes elegance and sophistication. Metallic nails polish in good silver, gold color, rose or bronze created a luxurious and glamorous look to your nails. You can opt for a solid metallic color or combine it with other designs for added visual interest. Embellished nails adorn your nails with crystals, rhinestones, pearl stud to create a lavish and eye-catching designs. These embellishments can be applied individually or arranged in intricate patterns, gradually blending two or more colors on your nails creates a stunning ombre effect. Choose complementary shades or go for a monochromatic ombre look for a luxurious touch. Matte nails polish provide a velvet, non-shiny finishes that exudes sophistication. They are available in various colors and can be paired with glossy accent or nail art for added depth. This video is all about luxurious nails and nail art that can enhance your hand's beauty and increase the beauty of your personality. Thanks for watching.